We can also just be distracted and tell you you're like, it's time to go, and then we're like, huh? This is take 2. Cut. And that's
clap.
recording. Clap.
Clapboard.
Blip, blah, blip. Should I be shirtless, guy?
Put your shirt on, weird.
You wanted to flex.
No one cares about your tattoos. Put your shirt on.
I don't.
I'm just laughing with food in my mouth.
Oh, okay. We gotta film you taking your makeup off.
We are.
I know. So I'm just.
Who's gonna film it? What?
That was so fake. Oh my god. What?
Well, you told us to act like we didn't know.
What?
So what are we supposed to do?
What are we doing? Oh, I don't like that. Stop. You're changing.
I didn't sign up for this.
Oh, you're changing.
Here, wait. You have to put these back on me later, so keep those. Don't lose those. They're very important.
Yeah.
Aaron is so addicted to this.
He's just on the menu screen.
Just on the menu screen.
Practices his passcode all day. 7342, 7342, 7342. I'm in 7342.
I know, now I can't remember what it is.
7342.
Oh, I just did it without looking. I can't do it when I think of it. I don't do
dump
makeup.
it? Do you want me to dump it so you can see everything?
We need all the tools. I mean, ultimately, I think at the end of the day, we know what we're doing. And
I have no idea what we're doing.
Have you ever drawn a picture?
Should we just let him grab it out of the bag?
So that's the base. That's foundation.
No. Oh, that's not a spray, but you're doing.
Put your tongue out.
You're warm.
Put your tongue out.
Warmer. No, warmer.
Put your tongue out.
It doesn't squirt.
That's what I was gonna.
What he's saying is put your tongue out, because a tongue is like a palate. Like,
Hey.
you put a palate, you put on the circle, right? We were gonna put it on.
Show me what you would do to my tongue. Show me on your hands.
Okay, so this is your tongue. This is your tongue. What he was saying is put your tongue out. So we would do this.
I know
so we would
what
put that.
where this goes. That's like brushing teeth. Close your eyes.
It's the same shit, dude. Yes, back and forth. That exactly. Good.
Oh god.
Look at me.
It made my eyes stick shut.
That
my bad.
looks.
Oh. Okay.
Add a can.
Face.
Editor. Add a can sound. Add a editor. Right here, editor. Add a part where the can makes the sound. A can sound. Add a can sound. Like it seems like she knocked over like a drink. Add that. Anyway, go ahead.
Dude, what are you doing with this?
Okay, so if this was your tongue. So what he was saying is stick your tongue out, and then he would have done this, right? Because it's a palate. He would have done that, and then he would have gone, right? Because we want these brows to be contoured, right? We want to contour the brows.
Okay.
Good. So yeah, he was doing right here. If you see right there, he was doing kind of a unibrow thing, but I don't
Right.
think that works. We have to try things to know what does and doesn't
Here, you
work.
put some. You put some.
I don't need to touch that.
I'm Zach and this is Sean, and boy do we have business for you. If you have regular size Crocs and you were just in a Honey I Shrunk the Kids type incident, we can turn your Crocs into small baby Crocs for your feet now. This is all the money you'll save by using our business. These are our baby Crocs and you can put your baby feet in them now. Thanks for coming. It was crazy.
We can shrink people too. Does he need Q-tips? I have Q-tips. Is that something you guys use?
This won't get on my clothes.
No, there's brushes. Just find the brushes. Oh god. You gotta twist it because it's
Give me
locked.
a brush. Give me a brush.
I'm scared of it.
We don't know what a lot is, to be honest.
Okay, do you rub it in? Who rubs
Do you
it
want
in?
to let him rub it in?
No, he doesn't want to touch anything.
I already
Okay.
got it on
Oh,
my
yeah, yeah.
fingers.
Let's see.
Can you lick that off? Ew.
Ew, why'd you do that?
Ew, gross.
Okay, so
Yeah, sorry, we need the real makeup influencer. It's like, we're teaching Aaron. This is Aaron's class.
I was gonna say it's starting to look kind of like a Juggalo face paint situation.
let's do that.
Where's the white at? Where's the white paint at?
Oh, you got all these tools. What's in here?
Dump them out.
Oh, she's got colors, dude. She's got colors. Give me a brush.
I don't know what they all mean.
Spill it.
Ooh, that's fancy.
Looks.
Do you know where it goes?
Yeah, and this part sticks out, right?
Yeah.
It's like cute.
That's what it is.
I don't know why this is in that bag. It's not makeup.
Is this lipstick?
Oh god, don't do that. I'm scared.
I don't even know how to open it.
You're doing it so wrong. I'm scared.
How do I open it?
Yeah, no.
I don't even know how to open this.
Twist it.
Ew, what?
That's gross.
I'm just. I didn't know it was gonna be juicy.
Gross.
I didn't know it was gonna be juicy.
Oh, it looks tasty.
The backhanded. There we go.
That looks good. It doesn't look bad. I
Cut.
think this is the new beauty standard. I think you look good.
It's getting too real for me.
Who's Victoria Jackson?
Here's
That's that
another-
SN.
Like every time I go like this, he's like,
Thing in my mouth.
I'm not putting it in your mouth.
Thank you.
Alright, these are props. They don't open. He's dead. Aaron died.
Aaron's dead.
I hope my food gets here soon.
I forgot you ordered food.
Wait, I have food.
I don't know if you should eat it mid makeup. I mean, I guess do whatever you want. I literally, I don't know what else to do. It looks
Look
fucking good.
You think
It
I'm
looks
pretty?
so good, yes.
Oh, you gotta put my eyelashes on.
It looks like a little bug. It looks like a dead bug. And you just pulled it out of a White Claw.
I'll give you some glue.
I have glue.
I brought my own. Yeah,
Not going on my face.
Here. I have glue.
No, don't put it on my face.
Not on your face, just on your eyelids.
Pretend to.
Right, yes,
What's
I'm
this?
pretending. Oh, come on.
Oh, God.
Oh, ew. You gotta finish that.
You're the
Don't get fucking eyebrow glue on my fingers. No, it's all
It's
you. I
fixed.
got it. You got it. Well, it's a little dead bug with glue on it now.
Do you have to do it a certain way? Just
You can do it however you
They're
want.
changeable. Just try it.
Oh, I'm scared.
What?
Ah!
Where else would you put it?
eyelid right there. That looks dope, dude.
That
It's
looks-
non-traditional. I like it. Look, that's so cool.
It looks like if you reversed the before and after
I
Brian
think
Gosling.
Aaron
shots.
won. Aaron won the.
Where is it? It's not on her face.
He got closer to where it goes. Oh, here, watch this. Look, it just rubs off though. It's so cool. Look at that. It's just gone now.
Well, how is it supposed to hold those on place?
I don't know, but it.
I think you look hot.
Oh, I think my food's ready.
I don't want food.
This is the worst video we've
It's
ever
not.
made.
It's not at all. All we need now is just an outro. Okay.
This feels really weird on my eyelids. My God, what did you do to me?
Look at me.
I'm beautiful.
Yeah.
Such a good liar.
Sure. Yeah. Let's just get the outro part real quick.
What's the outro?
I don't know, whatever just happens now. You can have the food and it doesn't matter. Yeah, there's a bag though. It's cool. The bag's in the shot now.
Ta-da.
I'm hungry too.
You have a burrito.
I can't blink.
Got my hair
So?
on my ears.
Oh, you got soup?
Yeah. Oh, it's hot as
So am I.
Do we do like a reveal now or something?
And for the final product,
I think you're gonna like it.
do a little like swipe in front of my face. Yeah.
So hot.
It's hot.
He's
It
talking about the
is.
soup, not me. Whenever
We did it.
sees my makeup, we just hand them really hot soup, and then they go so hot, and I'm like, thank you, and then I don't feel bad.
It doesn't look good, but it looks fine. I think we did okay. How's the soup?
It's good, but it's so hot. Can't even
Just
enjoy
like
it.
me. I'm so hot you can't even enjoy it.
Maybe.
Thanks everyone for watching, subscribe and stuff. And this is Sean Barrett, Rocky Emerson, and Lil Aaron. And
I got soup.
I don't know what to say.
I don't know. We got super glue. That's it.
Bye.